Congratulations on completing the Figma Design for Beginners course. We've covered so many things during our time together. If you're looking to keep practicing and growing your skills, visit the Figma Help Center, where you'll find a library of resources including hands-on projects, in-depth explanations of features, and other written and video courses. If you're interested in connecting with other creators, join the Figma Forum to share ideas, find solutions, and help others along their journey. And don't forget to check out Figma's YouTube channel for more video tutorials and tips. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with new tutorials or updates and additions to this course. Thank you for joining us on this learning journey. We can't wait to see what you'll make next.